Yo, what is up? So in this tutorial, all we're going to be doing is upgrading our project back up to 5.7. So originally we started the project in 5.7, but I was having some CC4 issues with importing. So we moved the project down to 5.5. And the other day I was messing with it again to see if I could get this working in 5.7, and it seems to be working now. So yeah, we're going to move the project back to 5.7. But just on a little side note, I have already found a known bug in 5.7 regarding our auto landscape material. So any of you guys that have done the auto landscape material setup that we did, there are some known bugs with paint layers in 5.7. And once we get to that point, once we get everything copied over into 5.7, I'll show you what those bugs are and kind of the way to get around them. But yeah, let's hop into it. Alright, so for those of you who have never moved their project to a new engine version, I'm just going to show you quickly how to do it. So this video will be pretty quick. I've already upgraded the project to 5.7, just so you can see it works here. But for those of you that have never done it, you're just going to launch 5.7. And once 5.7 is launched, you're going to go to My Projects, and you're going to go find your 5.5 version here, and you're going to click OK. Then you're just going to click Open a Copy. And this will open a copy of the project. I'm not going to do that because I've already done it. But yeah, that's how you just you just move the project to a whole entire new version. And once you get the new version, get it into the new version, I'm going to show you some bugs with our paint layers. So I'm going to go into 5.7 here. And these bugs are some things I'm going to have to look into. I don't know if there's any workarounds for some of them, but some of them you can work around. But from what I've been reading, there's some known bugs with 5.7 and paint layers. So I'm going to go to our open world here. And yeah, you can see where I've been testing the paint layers here. So some of the known bugs, if we go to our landscape and we go over to paint, and so say we paint some sand right here. Cool, that works. And we go back to our auto, and then we try to paint back over it. It doesn't work, which this is something that should work. You should be able to just paint right back over that. But right now the workaround is to go back to your sand and shift click to erase it. Also, a weird bug that I'm having is that with the dirt layer, it's not removing foliage for some reason. So that's another issue. So you can go into your remove foliage and just remove that manually, or shift click to bring it back manually. So that's another known issue. And also the way that they are doing their landscape layers here are a little bit different. So you can come in here and choose your blend method. Right now I'm just still using weight blended in these layers. But something I did in the auto material is if I open this guy and we go over here to our landscape layer blend, I switched these to alpha blending for now, because right now weight blending is giving some weird results. So if I switch these all over to a weight blend, and go to our dirt specifically, the dirt one is giving some weird results. It's blending a little bit too much, but you could also, like I said, you can come in here and change the blend method. So if we switch this to advanced blending, yeah, you'll get the dirt, but it's like kind of multiplying it with the ground underneath. You can also go up here to no weight blending, and yeah, that's not really changing it too much either. And just so you can see a little bit of the difference over here, so if we go over here to our dirt, change this to back to alpha blending and apply, you'll see we get way more of our dirt kind of look going on here. And it looks like looks like the foliage is randomly working. It's randomly getting rid of our foliage now where we paint. So yeah, they've either changed some things with the way the materials work, or there are some bugs, or a combination of both. But this is something I'm gonna have to look into, and then I will update with what information I find. So we go back to dirt. Let's go to alpha on our sand as well, real quick, just to see. Just want to test that our dirt is still removing foliage. It is. And now if we go to our sand and paint, is that removing? Okay, it is. Okay, looks like that's working. And what I have mine on right now is I have my auto on weight blend. Let's see if that breaks anything if we put it on alpha blend. Let's see if we paint our sand. Appears to be working. Paint our dirt. Appears to be working. So yeah, it looks like alpha blend is doing pretty good. And then inside the layer as well. This guy is actually set to no weight blend. This one is set to advanced. So let's see what happens if we put this guy on advanced. We're just gonna kind of test all this stuff here now, just so we can see what kind of results we get. Looks like that's still working. Not sure why it was broken a moment ago. And that's with advanced weight blend. Let's try with regular weight blend on our dirt here. Okay, so yeah, regular weight blend. You can see all that foliage popped back. Go back to advanced weight blend. It's fine. And then no weight blend appears to be fine as well. But just regular legacy, that is giving some weird issues here. So let's move this guy back to advanced for now. Let's do a paint. That looks fine. Let's go back to our sand. Right now, this guy is on advanced weight blend as well. And that's fine. Let's try weight blending. Yeah, you see regular weight blend. It's not removing the foliage. And yeah, and then no weight blend, working fine. So it looks like the regular legacy weight blending is causing some issues here. If we go back to advanced, let's try to paint over with our auto. Yeah, that's still not working. So if you want to remove something, you just got to go to that layer, shift click, and just erase it. So, yep, some weird landscape changes in 5.7. So we'll look into it. But yeah, that's all we're going to do for this video. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you're new around here, definitely subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know those down in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.